guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you a cook and clean with me. I'm going to show you what we're having for dinner, also a little mini food haul here as well, and then a big clean up that will hopefully get you inspired to get your house organised for the next day. It's kind of our nightly routine, I suppose, without showing all the kids stuff as well. I am teaming up with Channel Mum and Iceland to show you how you can feed your family for £5. It's amazing. They've got a whole section on their website that you can look through. It gives you loads of ideas for meals. It shows you how much everything comes to. It all comes to less than £5 for a full family meal. It's amazing. I'm going to show you some things I've already got from my freezer and then some stuff that I picked up today when I was in, and it's just amazing. It's kind of like a little challenge. Can you feed your family for £5? I love it. So I'm going to show you here. This was the meal plan that I was originally going to follow, and this is the crispy chicken fillets with southern fried wedges and beans. Now my kids absolutely love these southern fried wedges. They're only £1, and these chicken breast fillets are made with 100% chicken breast and they are only £2. Such great value for money. But tonight I thought I would change it up a little bit, and I've used one of my favourite things from Iceland, and it's their perfect mashed potato. It's only £1, and you keep this in your freezer, pop it in a microwave safe dish to cook it. It takes 5 minutes in the microwave and they absolutely devour it. I also love their diced onions for £1. They are so handy to have in for nights when you want to have maybe a curry or something and you just want to have your onions already diced. You know I love all my chopped herbs and spices from there as well. They're also in these resealable packs, and again, just £1 for these. And something you all recommended to me is hash brown fries. These are amazing, I can confirm. These are unbelievable value. They're only £2 a pack and they are resealable fruits. They are amazing for smoothies and also desserts. These chocolate mousses are only £1. Coleslaw, £1 as well. And I've got some reduced fat hummus, which is also £1. So like you've seen from my mini haul, everything is so affordable, great value. For tonight's meal, we're going to have this floret and carrot mix. You can either steam, microwave or boil this. We're going to have some mashed potato, which is also £1, and these crispy 4 chicken breast fillets, which were £2. Now as you'll have worked out, I've spent £4 so far. So I had £1 spare to get a nice pudding for tonight since it's a special treat. And I've seen these in majestic Belgian white chocolate ice creams, and I had to get them for just £1. Chicken takes between 20 and 25 minutes to cook, so I'm going to get that started just now and just pop it into my baking dish. How much do we love that mashed potato?
You know how good
it is so good. What did you think about that meal?
It was so good. Like, the texture was really good.
The texture was really good? What did you like the texture of?
Because it was just really juicy.
I love it as well. So nice. Clean plates all around. So as you can see, that meal was a roaring success. We absolutely loved it. So delicious, so easy, quick, and also very affordable. Now, no matter what time of night it is, I have absolutely got to reset my house back to normal. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear all of the dishes, make sure that the table has been cleaned down and wiped, and then reset it with my vase of flowers and go ahead and make sure that all the dishes are washed, clean all the counters, really get my kitchen back to normal so tomorrow I don't wake up to yesterday's mess. So in the kitchen, all of my surfaces are clean. I've got my dishwasher on with all the dishes ready to be emptied in the morning when that finishes, and I'm just going to go into the living room now and pick up any of the toys that have been lying around and make sure that that gets set back to normal as well. I'm going to clean down the coffee table just for any spillages or dust, and then time to flip up and prep my cushions for the morning. I just think this makes my whole living room look and feel tidy. And any of the other surfaces that I can clean, I will normally just give them a little quick wipe down at this point and then spray my room spray. This one is amazing, it's from Dunelm Mill, and I'm just going to set everything back to normal for tomorrow. And I'm also going to hoover because I feel like when I hoover every evening, my house just feels super fresh and clean in the morning. I like to hoover all downstairs. I don't always manage to do upstairs as well, but just for a really quick 10-minute tidy, this really doesn't take me long to do at all. It just makes the world of difference. And now that is the living room back to normality, nice and cozy for us to go and sit down and watch some TV before bed, or just get an early night and enjoy it in the morning. And I'm also going to make sure I do my hallway as well. Of course, we get a lot of traffic in here, and any of the spillages or any crumbs from dinner time will normally be on the rug underneath the dining table. So I just try and make sure I get all of that hoovered up and away, and then usually it'll be time to mop as well. I've got loads of tiles downstairs, and using one of these flat-headed mops with the spray on it is the easiest way to get that clean. So I really hope you enjoyed watching our cook and clean with me, guys. Make sure you go over and check out how you can feed your family for just a £5. Remember, you can get free delivery online over £35 and £25 in store. Thanks for watching. Bye!